We have a 2002 Saab convertible with a 2.0 turbo engine that the left side motor mount, transmission mount had to be replaced. I read the book. It says to do it by removing the battery. I went to the junkyard and I got another motor mount for $10, and I removed everything from under the car. This is the new motor mount, $10 versus 100, and this is the old one, which is in two pieces. Obviously, it was the correct one broken. So old and new. So these two bolts here are 16 millimeter, and these two that go to the body are 15 millimeter. That's all you need. You need to jack up the engine so it will not put pressure on the bolts where you remove it. So I jacked it up under the car, and the two bolts, you can see the holes up here. That's with the motor mount. There's the holes, and these are the two bolts that came out. So, and then this is the other two that is going to go up like so. So under the car, I remove the plastic spoiler that goes the cover under here, and this is where the motor mount bolts are, and this is how you hold it. I guess you place it like so, and placing a couple of bolts, and it's all done. It's not a big deal actually. So start with these two bolts first, so it holds up while you're working on the other side. The other ones are more difficult to get to. You need a 16 millimeter on the other side, and